AI will replace average people first. For decades, humans believed machines would always remain tools. Helpful, controlled, predictable. But something changed. Quietly, without most people noticing. Artificial intelligence stopped behaving like a tool and started behaving like a replacement. Not for everyone, for the average. Because the modern world created millions of people who think the same, work the same, live the same, and can now be replaced the same. This is not science fiction anymore. The terrifying part about AI is not that it became intelligent. The terrifying part is how predictable humans became. Every morning looks identical. Wake up, scroll phone, commute, repeat tasks, consume entertainment, sleep. Most people exist inside routines so repetitive that machines are beginning to understand them better than humans understand themselves. And companies love this. Because average humans are expensive, they get tired, emotional, distracted, sick, unmotivated. AI does not. It works endlessly, learns instantly, improves constantly. No emotions, no ego, no salary negotiation, just performance. And in a world controlled by profit, performance always wins. But this transformation did not begin with AI. It began much earlier. Modern society slowly trained people to become replaceable. Schools rewarded obedience over creativity. Corporations rewarded repetition over independent thinking. Social media rewarded imitation over originality. And over time, millions of people unconsciously became optimized for systems, instead of optimized for intelligence. The modern human became highly consumable, highly distracted, highly average. And average behavior is easy to automate. Because AI struggles with originality. It struggles with unpredictable thinking. It struggles with deep emotional intelligence. But repetitive humans? Those are easy to replace. The future will not belong to people who simply follow instructions. It will belong to people who can think beyond them. Because something strange is happening in modern society. While average people consume more content than ever before, they think less deeply than ever before. Attention spans are collapsing. Focus is disappearing. People can no longer sit in silence without reaching for stimulation. And distraction is becoming dangerous. Because the AI era rewards adaptation, not comfort. The people most at risk are not necessarily the poor, or the weak, or the uneducated. It is the people who refuse to evolve. The people emotionally addicted to familiarity. The people waiting too long to adapt. History has always been brutal to humans who ignored transformation. And AI may become the fastest transformation civilization has ever experienced. But the darkest part of all this is psychological. Because many humans secretly know they are becoming replaceable. And deep inside, they feel it. That quiet anxiety when technology becomes smarter every year. That strange fear after seeing AI create art, music, businesses, code, films, voices. In seconds, humans are beginning to experience something they have never truly faced before. Competition from intelligence that does not sleep. And while society focuses on entertainment, the powerful are preparing for the future quietly. Corporations are restructuring. Governments are investing billions into AI systems. The wealthy are buying technological influence. And average people? Most are still distracted, scrolling endlessly through content designed to keep them passive. Because distraction creates delay, and delay creates vulnerability. The modern world trained people to consume, while the future will reward those who create. This is why the AI revolution will feel unfair. Some humans will become dramatically more powerful, while others slowly become irrelevant. And the gap between those two groups may become the largest in modern history. Because AI is not replacing humans equally. It replaces predictable humans first, average humans first. And maybe that is the real warning hidden inside the AI era. The future does not belong to the most comfortable people. It belongs to the most adaptable. ZADRYX.